Hey, thanks for tuning in to American Garage TV. We're releasing another fine beauty here. This is a 67 Mustang Coupe. And this is our proud owner over here, Eddie. Eddie had just bought this car. He came to us. We needed some serious engine work. Just do a quick little walk around.
At least it runs now, though. So. There you go. I'll come look at the Camaro.
Eddie doesn't know it yet, but this is his first son, Eddie Jr. Right?
Yeah, that's right.
So how long you own this car now? Just look at your watch.
2 months. 2 months.
All right, so pump it once in the morning, let it warm up, give it about 5 minutes or so. Like I said, take it easy on the motor, monitor it, and enjoy it. And go ahead, fire her up.
Got it.
We're gonna keep Gib with us and put him to work. You're clear in the back. Now do a big old nasty burnout. No, just kidding. Oh, he's flaming the stuff. We did a full detail on this car. Doing
That's how
it's alive again. Fortunately, when he bought it, it was lipstick on a pig, and the motor was on the verge of kablooey. So basically, we had to thoroughly go through it. It was salvageable. We basically did what's known as a motor restoration, refurbishment. All new bearings, seals, and relapped the valves, everything. Of course, lubed everything. Put on a initial filter, good quality oil, zinc additive, break-in oil, or zinc additive. Fired her up, ran her just like you're running in a new motor for about 20-30 minutes, and opened up the filter, emptied the oil, took a look at it, inspected it. It's clean, not bad. Still gonna, and we put in fresh oil and a quality oil filter. Still gonna expect that he runs 5 to 1,000 miles and then changes the oil again. Open up that filter and just check and monitor what's in it, because the crank never got remachined. Heads were never under a machine. So again, we refurbished him here at the shop. He's already 2020 under, so this is gonna get him by. And right now, Ford small block engines are very scarce as far as the crate engine world, and they're on back order through one of our largest suppliers, Blueprint Racing, and some of them are taking a good year. And right now we're hoping to get, there's one more remaining. Other than that, if you order today, you're lucky to get one by 2025. It's getting that scarce. Anyways, yeah, so we're proud to get this thing back up on the road. Customer loves it. It's driving like a dream, unlike when he first brought it in, so he sees the difference. And of course, you guys are used to it when you bring us your cars. We don't generally take it or, rip it down the road to see what our experience is before you get it back in your possession after we've fiddled with it. So anyways, that is that, and that's how it goes.